Hello friends, welcome back to the Bootstrap tutorial. In the last video we have seen that how to create the cards using Bootstrap for the desktop view and for the mobile view as well. I just want to make some changes in this section which we have created in the last few videos. I don't want to use this image here. I'll keep it for the next session. So I'll make those changes that I want to remove that image. So I'll just find it out. So in the about section here on the line number 148, I have used that image. I don't want to use that image, so I'll just remove it from here. And the content which is I'm showing to the right hand side, out of that half content I want to take it into the left hand side. So this is the paragraph and these are the list item which I want to put it in the first half. So I have pasted it from there, and you will see that this gap is because of the margin top you have added to this paragraph. We'll remove that and we'll check our output. Now this is my about section which we have created. The left hand side have a paragraph, right hand side is also having a paragraph and the cards. And I have removed that image. We'll use that image in our next session. And it's time to add the link. Now when I click on the about section, it should scroll down to the about section. So what you need to do, you just need to come your HTML code and identify where are the links of your navbar. So at the top you will find here about, and the ID which you have provided to the about section, if you remember we have provided ID is about, so that should be linked to your navbar. So here hash about is the ID which you have provided. Now save it, come back to your page and now click on the about. You will find that when you click on that link, when you click on this about link, it will be redirecting to the about section. Now we'll create the next session, but before that section I just want to create some random interactive session in between for interacting with the user. So this is our last session about which we have done. I'll name it as help, and this is the end of help. This is a random section which I am going to create, and here I'll create one division, but it should be a full screen. So I need to use a class container hyphen fluid, and inside this division I'll again create one division. I'll write one class row, and inside that row we don't want to add any column directly. I want to add the content, but the padding should be to this row as p5, so that it will take the padding of 5, and I'll name this row as a class help, and we'll write the CSS property for that row. So at the bottom we are creating a help section. This is the end of help, and the class name which you have given is help. This is all about your imagination towards the theme. I have a clear idea what I want to do in that theme. So to this class I want to use and background color as the primary color which you have selected blue, and then we'll see how will it look. If you go down you will find there is a blue section at the bottom with the padding of 5 points. And now at the center location I want to add some title. So I'll just go to the section here, and inside that row I'll create one h1 or h1 tag, and I'll just write call for help, and you will see you are not able to recognize it because the font color is darker on by default. We want to make it a white color, so you can give the font color as white, and you will just check your output. You will see it is now white in the color, and you want to make it at the center location, so text alignment should be at center. Okay, so we are not given any font size. It is taking the default font size of the H1 which we are using here. Okay, And below this I want to add one random paragraph, and suppose the content of uh, 50 words. So I'll use it and we'll see how will it look. So it is giving you some random text. It is quite um, sticky to each other. I want a little bit later spacing. So dot help, and there is a paragraph in the class dot help. We want a letter spacing of 1 pixel in each letter. So you will find there is a little bit gap, and you want to make it little bit thinner. So you can add the font weight as 100. So the font will be a little bit thinner. Now it is looking okay on that background, and call for help, and you just need to provide your number here. So again, after this paragraph, suppose I'll just reduce 2 3 lines from here, so it will look good. Okay, and now here you want to provide your contact number, so you can add the another paragraph, and you can just provide random numbers like hyphen. You can provide any random number of 10 digit, 4 4 8 9, and you can add another digit, and you can add one icon here for the telephone icon. So again, go to your official website of Bootstrap, getbootstrap.com, come to icons, and search for the telephone. So phone I have clicked, and now this icon which I want to select there. So I want to this darker one, so I just copy it, copy this I tag, and paste it here. Okay, and we'll check our output, how will it look. Come to your theme, and you'll find there is a icon, but you just want to increase the font size. So come there, and this add one class, it should be phone or help phone. Help hyphen phone is the class name which I have given. Come to your style tag, write dot help hyphen phone, and then you can add the font size of suppose 30 pixel. We'll just save it and check our output. Okay, it is 30 pixel. Help, spelling mistake is there, help. Okay, it is giving you the 30 pixels, fine. And now you just want to change the color of this icon. So dot help phone, there is a I tag, and you want to change the color of that to secondary color of your theme. So you will find it is giving you the icon. If you not satisfied with the icon, you can change the icon as per your requirement. Just search for the phone, you will get the different icons of phone on the official website of Bootstrap. So if I selected the phone, you will see there are different icons available, but that is okay which we have selected. Absolutely fine. Now come to your theme and fine. Okay, so this is a miscellaneous section which we have added about after the about section, and after this we'll try to add the next section in the next video. Thank you.